Jasmy coin explicitly is another especially token that truly has been acquiring consideration in the realm of computerized monetary standards in an exceptionally large manner. It's the principal Japanese blockchain project that furnishes the two partnerships and individuals with pretty exceptional and imaginative information stockpiling prospects, really in spite of prevalent thinking. We should investigate it genuinely closer and explicitly make some Jasmy coin cost expectations for the next few long stretches of time. What is Jasmy coin? Jasmy coin generally is a new blockchain project from Japan, which generally is genuinely critical. It was sent off in October 2021 by the Improvement Group, Kunitake Ando, Kazumasa Sato, Masanobu Yoshida, and Hiroshi Harada. The blockchain innovation created by Jasmy expects to reestablish and most certainly shield individual information control in spite of prevalent thinking. It basically consolidates conventional Web of Things with blockchain innovation, empowering clients to safely fundamentally administer their own information, or so they basically thought. Jasmy's really decentralized blockchain essentially is work to generally safeguard clients' information and truly give them extremely all-out command over how and when it is used in an exceptionally significant manner. To fundamentally do as such, the Jasmy network generally utilizes Interplanetary Record Framework, or IPFS, which for the most part consolidates certainly savvy protector and security information communicator. The undertaking likewise really offers its clients a sort of individual information storage where they can securely keep their data, which is very huge. The fundamentally objective is to lay out a setting where clients would in a real sense genuinely control their information and truly choose how to utilize it, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. IoT gadgets will fundamentally be a wellspring of new information that develops in the information storage, which certainly is very huge. JASMY truly is intended to be an installment cryptographic money. Organizations who need to really gain admittance to client information can sort of do as such by getting it and paying in JASMY in a sort of large way explicitly. This lifts the opportunities for information subordinate associations to gather information, which generally is normally challenging to drop by in an especially significant manner. It especially is guessed that the worth of the information will ascend as the market fills in an unpretentious manner. When did Jasmy coin essentially turn out incredibly? JASMY generally was presented on the In Every Way That Really Matters Japanese Market BIT Point Japan in October 2021, which generally is very huge. Is it sort of good to purchase Jasmy coin? Lovely in spite of mainstream thinking especially. There by and large is no kind of straightforward solution to whether it fundamentally is generally excellent to in a real sense purchase Jasmy coin, which is genuinely critical. From one viewpoint, this digital currency truly has been unquestionably unstable, which explicitly implies that financial backers might actually basically rake in tons of cash assuming they for the most part purchase when the cost essentially is especially low, and explicitly sell when it spiked, which in every practical sense is very critical. In any case, there fundamentally is likewise an extraordinary especially arrangement of hazard implied, and Jasmy coin in a real sense has been known to unexpectedly crash. The marking stage, which is at present being worked on, ought to expand the liquidity of the token in a fundamentally significant manner. This might actually basically influence JASMY's future cost and market capitalization in a great manner, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Likewise, we shouldn't sort of fail to remember that JASMY really is an exceptionally in every practical sense youthful money on the crypto market, so there explicitly isn't a lot of significant market information, and its kind of genuine worth essentially is challenging to gauge, or so they for the most part thought. So eventually, it relies upon fundamentally your gamble resilience and speculation objectives. In the event that you're in every practical sense able to take a risk and you're all things considered okay with truly possible misfortunes, then purchasing Jasmy coin could especially be a decent choice, which really is very critical. None of the substance on Changely, including JASMY token cost forecast, essentially is venture exhortation, nor explicitly is it a substitution of guidance from an insured monetary organizer in a truly significant manner. Prior to choosing to sort of purchase Jasmy coin, we truly prescribe you to do especially your in every practical sense own examination, certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking essentially. Jasmy coin value expectation 2023. After the examination of the costs of Jasmy coin in earlier years, it truly is accepted that in 2023, the genuinely least cost of Jasmy coin will generally be around $0, or so they certainly thought. The kind of most extreme expected JASMY cost may really be around $0, which truly is genuinely critical. Overall, the exchanging cost could in every way that really matters be $0 2023. Jasmy coin value expectation 2024. In light of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Jasmy coin, In 2024, JASMY in every practical sense is supposed to have the accompanying fundamentally least and truly greatest costs, about $0, separately amazingly for the most part. The typical expected exchanging cost generally is $0 in unpretentious manner. Jasmy coin value expectation 2025, or so they thought. The specialists in the field of digital currency truly have examined the costs of Jasmy coin and their vacillations during the earlier years, which is very huge. It fundamentally is accepted that in 2025, the base JASMY cost could drop to 1 cent, while its greatest can essentially reach 1 cent, or so they in every practical sense thought. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around 1 cent in an unpretentious manner. Jasmy coin value forecast 2026, as opposed to prevalent thinking. In view of the examination of the expenses of Jasmy coin by crypto specialists, the accompanying essentially greatest and least JASMY costs especially are normal in 2026, 1 cent and 1 cent, which certainly is very critical. By and large, it will in every way that really matters be exchanged at 1 cent in an extremely huge manner. Jasmy coin value forecast 2027, showing that it's the main genuinely Japanese blockchain project that furnishes the two partnerships and individuals with exceptional and imaginative information stockpiling prospects, which basically is genuinely critical. Crypto specialists are continually breaking down the vacillations of Jasmy coin in an unpretentious manner. In light of their expectations, the assessed genuinely normal JASMY cost will in every way that really matters be around 2 cents in an unpretentious way. It could drop to a kind of least of 2 cents. However, it actually could generally reach 2 cents all through 2027 in an unpretentious manner. Jasmy coin value expectation 2028, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Consistently, cryptographic money specialists sort of get ready gauges at the cost of Jasmy coin in a very large manner. It by and large is assessed that JASMY will generally be exchanged somewhere in the range of 3 cents and 4 cents in 2028. Its typical expense sort of is normal at around 3 cents during the year, which basically is very critical. Jasmy coin value forecast 2029 incredibly. Cryptographic money examiners in a real sense are really prepared to report their assessments of the Jasmy coin's cost, or so they certainly thought. The year 2029 not set in stone by the genuinely greatest JASMY cost of 5 cents, or so they most certainly thought. Be that as it may, its rate could drop to around 4 cents, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. In this way, the normal genuinely normal exchanging cost especially is 5 cents, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Jasmy coin value forecast 2030 in an unobtrusive manner. Following quite a while of investigation of the Jasmy coin cost, crypto specialists in a real sense are somewhat prepared to for the most part give their JASMY cost assessment to 2030, which for the most part is very huge. It will be exchanged for at kind of the least 7 cents, with the conceivable fundamentally greatest tops at 8 cents, which essentially is very critical. Overall, you can truly anticipate that the JASMY cost should be around 7 cents in 2030 in a